Okay, we're coming up now to event number 42, the Senior B Women's Small Boat. This is a semi-final. So the first and second from each semi-final, plus the next two fastest, get into the grand final. Lane 1 is DSA, lane 2 is Mandura. Brisbane River Dragons in 3. The Warriors, the Wodonga Albury Warriors in 4. Navmat in 5 and Narra Water Dragons in 6. Starters just getting them lined up. You can see from the overhead shot by our drone that there's a real drift out there when they get away from the fingers on the starting pontoon. Some of them have real trouble because the breeze is blowing from left to right in that picture you're looking at, and it just pulls the boats out of the way. So it's very difficult for the crews, and the problem is that they're right against the finger, so they've got to pivot the boat round, and it's hard work, and you probably feel like you've run your race by the time you get ready to start in the race. But they've all got to do it together, and then when the starter gets them out a bit, the sweep can then do his job, but they've got to get started pretty quick. The longer they leave them standing, the more likely there's a chance that one of them will lose his way. He's got to line them up too, the starter.
Oh my God.
Okay, we've had a start now for race 42, and they're off out of the blocks. DSA lane 1, Mandura lane 2, Brisbane River Dragons in 3, and the Albury Wodonga Warriors 4, Navmat in 5, and Narra Water Dragons in 6. They've gone about 80 metres now, and already we see Mandura seems to have lost their way. We've got good running there by BRD in lane 3, and they certainly seem to be kicking away from the rest. Next up, we've got the Albury Wodonga Warriors. They're going reasonably well. The outside, the Narra and Navmat. But look, you can't go past the Brisbane River Dragons, who are a boat length in front now, and they're well and truly on the way to a win. And coming in second place there is boat lane number 4 is the Warriors. Then after that, I think it was lane 1 and then lane 5, which would have been DSA and Navmat. But very difficult to see with the sun that's shining right across the finish line, right into our eyes here. We'll see what the judge says. He's looking at a camera and photo, so he gets a perfect picture. Whereas us poor mortals just have to use our eyeballs. Okay, we've got the results up from the judge, and the Brisbane River Dragon, of course, came in first in 1:02.44. Then we had the Warriors, the Albury Wodonga Warriors, 1:05.